How you learn to start sewing basic. Today, the first thing about sewing is that it is a learning process, and you take step by step and build upon what you learn and go on learning. So you do things in different ways. You learn new styles. The old ways are your ground, your basics are your ground rules, and you build from that. You build upon your knowledge. The first thing you do is to think about what type of machine you want. What do you want that machine to offer? What are you looking for? There are plenty of machines out there, and you need to think about what you want from a machine and how you want that machine to work. Do your research, and after you select a machine, become familiar with that machine's manual. Your instructional manual and your reference guide is key to using your machine successfully. So the first thing we're going to do is to turn on our machine. But first, you have to load or you add your power sources. This cord is to my foot pedal, and it goes on the floor, and I use this little pad on the floor. This is my power source, which is plugged directly into the power source. And here is the off and on switch, so let's turn it on. Now the machine is fully powered up, and you can see here my display panel. And by the way, this is a Babylock Soprano machine. Now on the panel, this is the stitch width, length, and the tension control. These are automatic settings when you turn the machine on. Now here you're looking at the flat bed tray. It opens, it's a storage unit, and you have your accessories stored there. And underneath, and also on the other side, is a storage unit, and it's called the flat bed. This unit is made to come off. After it's removed, it becomes a free arm used for cuffs, sleeves, small areas you want to get to. This machine also comes with an extension table. You can operate this machine without the foot pedal just by touching this button here, stop and go, and you can lift your pressure foot with this button where you see the pressure foot, or you can use this knee lifter here. It stores underneath your table, your extension table. So on the machine itself, you have that green button, which lets you know it's ready to sew if I wanted to sew. You have the back stitch key, the knotted, or it creates a knot in the thread, in your fabric, your up and down needle, your cut thread, and your lower and up pressure foot. This is the speed control. Now you're looking at the guide plate on the machine where you have the needle, your pressure foot, and your bobbin case. And so when you make your selection of your machine, it's going to come with a lot of accessories. I showed you the ones that were in the flatbed holder, but you'll get many, many more. This machine also comes with a Teflon foot and other accessories you can buy along the way, but make sure they're for that machine that you're using.